Hello everybody, Classy the Man here. Today I'm going to talk about the JBL Professional M-Patch Active-1. This is a pretty amazing tool over here if you have multiple connections set up with speakers. So, let's begin. I have my MacBook Pro. From the MacBook Pro, we're going with the USB out into my Behringer Euphoria. From the Behringer Euphoria, we have two RCA cables from the output. They're going out into my M-Patch Active-1. Now I have it on A, just so it's easier to utilize. The D connection is with the USB connection. I don't recommend that because it's going to cause difficulties when you're recording with the Behringer or whatever interface you're using at that point. Now, that's my connection with the computer interface and the M-Patch. From the M-Patch, we have a set of KRKs connected via subwoofer and a set of Audio Engine A5 pluses. A, B, C. I'm sorry, just A and B, and a 2T out. A, we're going out into the KRK subwoofer. From the subwoofer, out with two XLR cables into the KRK rockets. The B connection, we have an adapter of TRS to female RCA out into the Audio Engine A5 pluses. Now the A5 pluses only have a connection of one speaker, so the other speaker is connected via copper wire. And that is my mixing setup with my subwoofer and monitors. As far as recording goes, the M-Patch doesn't have anything to do with the sound when recording. I have my Shure SM7B, pretty awesome microphone, out into the DBX 286S. Out with an XLR into the 286S. From the 286S, we have two TRS cables coming out into the Behringer input. And that's my setup, everybody. I hope you got the answer you were looking for. I hope you got the help you needed, everybody. You can like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, listen to my music on Spotify. You can find me at Classy the Man. Thank you, everybody.